Oh, that is close. That is gone. There is your finger umpiring. Oh, is it not a nick?
There were two sounds, but the fielder from mid-off is saying, is it straight? Because I think it's hit the pad.
Oh, close. Gone. What a ball. Full and length. Came in. Conditions line. Got it. Next ball. That is a great start.
Pull him. He drags it on, and Naseem Shah has his third.
Delivered in a time. Look at the tail. What's a beauty? Okay.
It's not.
A ball that came back makes up. They're appealing.
A slow one is chipped in the air. Fielder settles underneath and cleans him up. Oh, what a run by Naseem Shah.